College Youth Center's first craft snack online. This week we're going to be making watermelon salad, which is a perfect, refreshing snack for a hot summer day. So to recreate this recipe, you're going to need a couple materials. First, you're going to need a cutting board, a large knife, a smaller knife, a measuring cup, a tablespoon measuring tool, and a bowl. The ingredients you're going to need for this recipe are a watermelon, cucumber, red onion, feta cheese, and balsamic vinaigrette. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut the watermelon in half, and then I'm going to cut it into slices, and make sure you have someone there to help you cut the watermelon if you need. Make sure you're cutting your watermelon into 1-inch slices. Watermelon slices, you can start cutting them into cubes. How I do this is I cut off the rinds and then I cut them into bite-sized pieces. Keep cubing the watermelon until you have 4 cups. Cutting your watermelon, rinse off your cutting board and start cutting your cucumber. I cut it in half and then in half again, and then I dice it. Dice your cucumber until you have 2 cups. It's up to you if you'd like to leave the skin of the cucumber on. This recipe is good with or without it. Just make sure that if you leave the skin on, you wash the cucumber before. Next, we're going to chop a 1/3 cup of red onion. If you like red onion, feel free to add more. If you don't like red onion, feel free to add less. Add 1/3 of a cup of crumpled feta cheese. Same thing goes for this. If you like it, you can add more, and if you don't like it, you can add less. Here I'm just using the spoon to crumple up the bigger pieces. Don't worry, we're almost ready to eat. Next, mix up everything in the bowl. Next, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of balsamic vinaigrette. Feel free to use whichever brand you like, or you can even make your own. Lastly, mix everything up one more time. And there you have have it. Simple as that, your watermelon salad is ready to serve. Here are the ingredients one more time so that you can recreate this recipe. I hope you enjoyed this week's Craft a Snack video. Be sure to email us at info@uxbridgeyoutcenter.com to let us know how it tasted.